Now I'll show you how to make a counter for prints. It is important for those who conduct an accurate calculation of prints and will be very useful in this task. Let's start by creating a plain text. Now you need to click on the ABC icon. Then we'll select the numbers icon and go to the counter settings. You can see a lot of data. Don't worry, it's very simple and clear. The first parameter is the length of the counter, indicating the number of characters. The second parameter is the value by which the score increases. The third parameter is the repetition of the count after reaching the maximum. It can end or be cyclical. The fourth parameter indicates the beginning of the report. We can count from any position. The fifth and sixth parameters specify the range in which the counter counts. Okay, now let's apply the default settings and see what happens. Cool, but I want to remove the extra zeros. Let's edit this parameter and click on the pencil icon. We need to uncheck this value and apply the settings. Wonderful. It's very simple. Thanks for attention. Subscribe to our channel, we still have a lot of interesting things.